I have a 2012 Chevy Cruze. I'm gonna replace the battery. First thing you want to do is disconnect the negative battery cable. It's a 10 millimeter. Loosen it up, wiggle it back and forth, and then you can pull it straight up. Tuck it out of the way. It doesn't come back up. Got a lot of corrosion on it. I'll get some inhibitor for that. You want to remove this nut. Try not to drop it. Put it up there. Now this. Move that baby off of there. Next, remove your bad positive cover. Got little clips on it holding it on there. I've disconnected this before and I broke that. So I don't even want to touch this because the only thing that's holding together is that little piece of plastic. So remove the positive cable. Should be loose enough. And go ahead and twist it back and forth. Pull it up. All right. Now this is just clipped in along the side, so get yourself a flat blade screwdriver, stick it in there and pry it over. Same thing over there. So you can lift this piece up and slide your battery out. And have to pick this piece up out of the way also. Get that up out of the way. This in case you want that big battery or you want the little battery. Alright? Like I said, stick the flat blade screwdriver in here and pry it over, pick it up off the clip, and you got it off. I can go ahead and pick this up best you can, slide that battery this way, pick it up like that. See how it's coming out? Just like that. And I held this up. I grabbed hold of the little battery handle and I'm dragging it out. And do the same thing when you're going back together. Whoop. Okay. All right, I brushed my terminals on my battery with my wire brush. Brushed my cables. Sprayed my negative one down with my lube spray, which is Napa Max 1370 chain and cable. Works excellent on corrosion. It is not even hardly even there anymore. So now what you want to do is go ahead and clip your relay, your circuit breakers down back on top of your battery. Then you can go ahead and hook up your positive. Make sure it's down all the way. So you might want to just tap it down just a little bit. Just a little bit. Open this up a little bit. Spread it open so the cable goes down there farther, all the way down to the bottom. A lot of people put them sitting on top and they don't make a full contact of the battery cable terminal itself. You can see how it's sticking up a little bit, so we'll tap it down with a hammer. See how the terminal is sticking above the cable? That's perfect. Go ahead and snug it up. Cover back up. Make sure you got your little retainer right here hooked in there. And then next we're gonna do is put our hold down on. You gotta go in there, get a little hook. Goes half moon goes in there, and then that goes on there. Put your nut on there. Snug the nut up. Good. All right, next for our negative cable. Make sure it has plenty of room to get on there. And we'll just tap it down just a little bit. Yep. Terminal sticking above the cable. We're good. Alrighty. That's it. And that's how you install your battery. Okay. Hopefully I helped you out with this video, and hopefully you can help me out by subscribing to me, and I appreciate it. Thank you.